Oh. Hello there.
You made me laugh.
We got fan mail.
We got fan mail.
You can't tell.
Boom.
We're hard like that. We have that many subscribers. Although I think it's from our biggest fan ever. Oh, man, that must suck to be everybody else.
Big Steve.
Our Steve Guccic, whatever.
And I think I have an idea what it is. It's one of those sex swings that you hang up.
Steve always texts us and he's like,
what do you think about this swing, this swing?
He's like, I have a sex addiction.
I like how they took you a while to come out with that. He's just like, I just want y'all to know, it's all about sex with me.
And I just need to share my addiction with y'all.
So, that's what I'm thinking that is part of the addiction, but I could be wrong. Boom, bam, boom. I wish there was a way that we could put a... Uh-oh, they sent us some paper.
Paper?
What if it was? That would be the funniest shit ever.
Yup.
That's what I was thinking.
Our boy Steve.
Hell yes, man.
Dang, Steve.
Big shout out to Steve.
Now, what a dog.
Dude, this right here, if you do, is our close-up working?
I think so.
Will you fix the focus because it needs to be far back?
Where you want it?
Let's do it right here. Bam. Boom, bam, boom. So if you don't know what this is, old Big Steve works for a car manufacturer, and I don't know, but this is a seatbelt, guys, that we can use, and you know what? If we do it correctly, we can do this.
Why don't we test it out?
A few times. No. We're going to use it for a video.
What? Dude, you know how much seatbelt that is?
Yeah, but look, if you cut it, the whole seatbelt thing is going to fall.
What do you mean?
I don't want to test it yet. I mean, I guess we can. You want to test it?
Yeah, well, we got it.
But he's also mailing us a thing.
And the thing?
I'm going to have to look up how in the world to use a seatbelt. How would you do it? Because if your foot's on the brake, you can't do it,
Dude,
right?
Just cut it right here. Just real quick. Or what if, yeah.
No, there's got to be a way you can do this. Sorry, guys, this is boring. I didn't have a knife video. I got one to put out. It's on the Vintage Hunter. But we figured we would drop this video today. Give us another video. But big shout out to Steve with the seatbelt.
Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Get out of the seatbelt. Oh, man, stop.
What?
Stop, dude.
It did.
I want to do a video on this.
A video on what?
A seatbelt cutter.
I know. Look how much seatbelt it comes with.
I might want to hook this up to a thing in my car. Just chill. I'm going to make a cool video, and you just want to sit here and jack off on Steve's seatbelt.
That's what I love doing.
He took this out of his own vehicle, and he's riding around right now with no seatbelt.
And I was about to mess it up.
And you are going to mess it up. Ben. Steve, sorry, dude. I know you don't have a seatbelt in your car anymore. Ben, I appreciate it. See, Steve's driving around. He's going to get tickets.
But it's all for us, man.
But it's all for the Product Probe team. That's it.
And you're part of the team. That's right. I'm looking at you.
What if that's how you talk?
Join our team today. Hit that button. You like how I talk?
I like, hey, it worked. What if we had so many people subscribe now? Hello. If we talk like that all the time, I swear we'd have 5 subscribers.
No, we would have a lot more.
Today's knife is brought to you, or some people be like, damn, dude, this is a sexy ass fucking channel.
Why are you talking like that? You need to talk like this.
You sound like a robot.
You sound like a human.
But if we were just like, yeah, today's knife review is a Jabe's Cutlery clip point blade. You know where the heck the clips go. Let's dive into it.
I love seatbelts.
Anyway.
Thank you, Steve.
I don't know where that's going.
What do you think that
Did
is?
you just sit here and lick them?
That little electricity thing.
That's got to be the
what if
thing
this came out of Ferrari?
that controls the brake. That's where your brake cable thing would go, which allows it to know if it's stuck or not. Because I actually created these. I don't know if you knew that. This whole thing was my actual patent that I did. I sold it, and then, you know, they kind of ran with it. But
wow.
That's great.
That's great.
You know what you do? You sound like the Baldies girl that plays jump rope.
Play jump rope.
That's it. That's who you sound like. I knew that you sounded like something. And sorry, guys, if this video is boring, but big shout out to Big Steve for sending us this seatbelt. It's Ben, he's done with. But again, guys, hey guys, Big Steve. But thanks for watching.
This is actually really helpful, Steve. Thanks for sending it.
Yeah, on a serious note, we're sitting here messing around, but that really...
A lot of helpful content thanks to you.
And we've actually got a cool knife to do it with coming soon. If you got any ideas, by the way, if you've made it this far, which people have probably already bowed out, but if you've made it this far in the video, leave a comment in the section, and leave a comment in the section. Leave a comment below in the comment section. How the hell do you say that?
Leave a comment below.
Yeah, but, okay, I guess that, yeah. Anyway, on a knife, on a good idea with this, on the best way to do this, because I bet right now there's not many YouTube videos. You might can find one or two old ones, but that actually have a seat belt that they can cut with it. Now, my theory is with these knives is that it's probably going to be easier if you're stuck in the seat. See, we need to make it tight and almost in a survival type situation. So I'm thinking about locking Ben and throwing a vehicle off the bridge up there into the water, and if he gets out, then the knife works. If he doesn't, then we know the knife's bad. So I think that's the only fair way to test how good the knife is. What? Yep. Shit. I forgot about that.
Dang.
That's crazy.
Dang.
But what he just pulled out, we might have a good knife for that. So anyway, guys, this was probably super boring, but Big Steve, appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
And let us what you...
Dude, you're
We
off.
superimposed. Dude, I'm so off today. I just literally sat down and started just talking. But we got the Friday Night Knife giveaway we're fixing to start. So if you see this video before you see the Friday Night Knife giveaway, we're doing it right after this. And hopefully I'll be more on point. Appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. Let us know what you want to do with the seatbelt. And again, thank you, Steve.
Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you like this video. We're Product Probes team, 1,400 subscribers, man. We're growing to the top, man. You know what God says is strive to be the greatest.
God said that?
I think so.
He says that.
Have a good one.
See ya.